Shakatak is a 64 count full wall dance. Starts with a side rock out to the right, followed by a cross shuffle. So you've got a side rock, cross shuffle. Going to make 2 quarter turns back, stepping back a quarter turn onto the left, following round, quarter turn out to the right to face 6 o'clock, and finish with a cross shuffle, cross shuffle. Okay, so I'll just show you. It's side rock, cross shuffle, turn back quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Okay, so let's do that together. Ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. From here, your second section, you just repeat the first section. So side rock out to the right and a cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn back a quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Okay, so let's put that together. Ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Now we're going to do a step touch out to the right, so step, touch, and to the left, step, touch, rock back on the right, rock back, and then 2 walks, right, left. Okay, so that third section, step right, touch, left, touch, back, rock, walk, right, left. Let's add it on from the beginning. Ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, right, touch, left, touch, back, rock, walk, right, left. From here, you make a step half pivot, step forward on the right, half pivot onto the left, straight into half shuffle, coming back round to 12 o'clock, half shuffle, back rock on the left, and a forward shuffle, okay? So, you did a step half pivot, you've got the weight in the left, step forward on the right, step half pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, forward, shuffle. So if we add it onto the section before, step touch, out to the right, ready, and right touch, left touch, back, rock, walk, walk, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, forward, shuffle. Now let's add it on from the top. Side rock out to the right and a cross shuffle, 5, 6, 7, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, right touch, left touch, back, rock, walk, right, left, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, forward, shuffle. Section 5, you're going to start with heel switches. So you have the weight on the left, you're going to heel switches with the right, heel, and then a step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Heel switches again, heel, and this time a step quarter pivot to 3 o'clock, step quarter pivot. Okay, so that section again, heel switches leading with the right, heel, and step, half pivot, switches, heel, and step quarter pivot. If we go from the section where we step out to the side touch, ready, and side touch, back, rock, walk, right, left, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, forward shuffle into your heel switches, heel, and step, half pivot, heel, and step, quarter pivot. Now we'll take it from the top, side rock, cross shuffle, ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle, right touch, left touch, back, rock, walk, right, left, step, half, half shuffle, back, rock, forward, shuffle, heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot. The next section, I'm just going to show you facing 12 o'clock so you can see. You're going to kick the right out to the diagonal and then step behind side. So it's kick behind side. Okay, and that counts 1 and 2. Kick behind side. Scuff side. Okay, so kick behind side, scuff side. And do that for you again. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to step and side together. Okay, so that was kick behind side, scuff, side and side together. Then step forward on the right, twist the heels out to the right, back to centre as you finish with the weight down the left. Okay, so to do that for you again, it was kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, step, twist, twist. And again, ready, and kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. The weight's back here in the left. I'll do that for you with the counts. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you'll be doing that from wall 1, you'll be doing that facing 3 o'clock. So if we just do that now, facing 3, ready, and kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. Okay? So we take it from the heel switches, facing 12, leading with your right. Heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. Let's do that again. From your heels, leading with the right. Ready, and heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. Okay, let's take it from the beginning. Out to the right, side rock, ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, step, touch, back, rock, walk, walk, step, half shuffle, back, rock, forward shuffle, heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7 and side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side touch, back rock, walk, walk, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back rock, forward shuffle, heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side together, forward, twist, twist. Okay, so we're nearly at the end of the dance now. You've just done your swivel, 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 weights back in the left. You do a coaster step, step forward on the left and touch the right behind, back shuffle on the right, step the left back and touch the right to the side. Okay, so let me go over that for you again. You've got the weight back on the left after your swivels. Coaster step, forward, touch the right behind, back shuffle on the right, step the left back and point the right to the side. Let's do that again. Weights in the left, coaster step going back on the right, ready, and coaster step, forward touch, back shuffle, back point. From here, nice easy section to finish. You do 2 cross points. It's cross, point, and a jazz box. Cross, back, side, together. So let's put those 2 last sections together. You've got the weight back in the left. You're going back on the right for a coaster. Ready, and coaster step. Forward, touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, back, side, together. Now let's take it from the section before where you step, kick, behind, side, kicking with the right. Ready, and kick, behind, side, scuff, side, and side, together, step, twist, coaster step, forward, touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, back, side, together. Let's do that bit again. Kick, behind, side, kicking the right. Ready, and kick, behind, side, scuff, side and side, together, step, twist, coaster step, forward, touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, back, side, together. Now let's take it right from the top. Side rock, cross shuffle. 5, 6, 7, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, cross shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, cross shuffle. Side touch, back rock, walk right, left. Step, half pivot, half shuffle, back rock, forward shuffle. Heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot. Kick behind side, scuff, side and side, together. Step, twist, coaster step, forward, touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, back, side, together. Now I'll go over the dance with the counts for you. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's dance wall 2, facing 3 o'clock, rocking out to the right, 5, 6, 7 and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross shuffle, step, touch, back rock, walk right, left, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back rock, forward shuffle, heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side, together, forward twist, coaster step, forward touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, back, side, together. Now we'll dance wall 3, facing 6 o'clock, side rock out to the right and cross shuffle, 5, 6, 7 and side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross shuffle, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross shuffle, step, touch, back rock, walk right, left, step, half shuffle, back rock, forward shuffle, heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot, kick behind side, scuff, side and side, together, forward twist, coaster, step, forward, touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side, together. You've got to restart on wall 4. You just dance the first 24 counts. So we'll do that and then we'll restart. Side rock, cross shuffle. Ready, and side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Right touch, left touch, back rock, walk, walk, restart. Side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Side rock, cross shuffle, quarter, quarter, cross shuffle. Step, touch, back, walk, walk, right, left, step, half, half shuffle, back, rock, forward shuffle. Heel and step, half pivot, heel and step, quarter pivot. Kick behind side, scuff, side and side together. Step, twist, twist, coaster, step, forward touch, back shuffle, back, point, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, side together.